Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics. So if you want to grow really fast in the software industry, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates. Kiran Jagtap, are there separate expertise people for requirement analysis and design architecture phases of project, or is it a job of developers who has a coding knowledge only in IT companies? So usually the requirement analysis and design architecture phases is done by software engineers because you need the knowledge of software to understand requirement. Okay, there can be a pre-requirement analysis phase. Okay, a pre-requirement analysis phase is only it is called, generally it is called business analysis. Okay, and in business analysis you are only talking about the business process of the company for which you are developing this software. So when you are in a services company like a TCS or Infosys, they may have somebody called as a business analyst, and this business analyst will work with the client to understand what is the business process, how does the business function, what are the things the business does. Okay, and from that business analysis, whatever this business analysis there, from that we are going to do a requirement analysis with the help of software engineers. Okay, software engineers will be there. Usually it is not going to be somebody independent. Even people in business analysis go from software engineering background. They work 1 or 2 years as a software engineers, and from there they transition into business analysis, or they transition into sales and all those processes. So that is possible. But if you see, when the hiring happens at every software company, they are always looking for software engineers. Okay, they are always looking. And when the software engineer joins the company, okay, so big services company, let's say 10,000 people join. So few people they will put them under requirement analysis, few people they will put under support, few people they will put under testings, few people they will put under, so various software development life cycle phases, they start putting people under that. Okay, some company will rotate these people, so they will go through all the phases, and that is a very good idea, to rotate everyone through the entire life cycle so that everybody understands the entire process. And then whichever is the best process for that engineer, they should pick that process, and then they should continue within that field. Okay, but it's not always separate expertise people. Software engineers will do requirement analysis, and design architecture will be done by architects. Okay, so they will be senior software engineers. They may be engineers with 3 to 5 years or more than 5 years experience, because they know how to build the architecture. It's not easy for a newcomer to go and build an architecture for an enterprise level software. It is very difficult. Okay, as a fresher you will get very small coding challenges. Okay, and I would say that the more you will start solving those coding challenges which are simple in nature, and learning along with that. Okay, instead of thinking, oh, I'm getting these small things, don't think like that. These small things are the foundation of becoming that architect. These small things are the foundation of becoming that senior software engineer who knows a lot more than you, who can solve some problem in 1/10 the time that you will take to solve. Okay, so Kiran, there is no separate experiment. There is no separate expertise. A lot of software engineers don't like documentation, because requirement analysis means what? You will have to document the requirement. Okay, but it is really a good process if you can understand the entire process, and you can be valuable within every phase of the process. Okay, those software engineers who resist all these phases, Those software engineers who are not ready to do, like they will say, oh, I'm in documentation, so I'm not doing really good work. I'm in report generation, so I'm not doing good work. Or I'm in report creation. Okay, there are tools to create report, and people feel, oh, I'm in just report creation and this is not good work. Okay, these people forget that an application as a whole requires everything. Okay, and if you go through each phase and you understand each phase, you are a complete software engineer when you understand every phase of software developer. And you will be called an experienced software developer or really a senior software engineer when you understand all phases, which means that if given a chance, you can build an entire application on your own without the help of anybody else. And that is only possible after 3 to 5 years when you understand every phase of software development, including testing, automation, various different, all different phases of software development, including support. Okay, because that is a complete engineer. Okay, otherwise I've seen a lot of software engineers, especially freshers, they resist. Everybody goes with walls, they create walls around them. I'm not going to do this, one wall. I'm not going to do this, two walls. I'm not going to do this, three walls. After that, what happens is their manager stops giving them even the best work. Okay, and then there are software engineers, they will take everything. They will not say no to the things that other people think worst. Okay, whatever is given to them, they will just do it, complete it, give it to their project manager, complete it, give it to their project manager. This project manager will build a great trust with this software engineer, and then this software engineer will start becoming big because he he will start getting the best parts just because he accepted everything. Okay, so don't build those walls. Okay, there is nothing like those expertise. Be ready to do everything. Okay, tell your boss that anything that nobody wants to do, give it to me, I will do it. That's the best thing to say. So subscribe to this channel before you go. Like this video if you have liked what I have discussed so far in the video. Okay, share this video with your friends so that we can grow as much as possible. Thank you very much. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next live.